Hi, this is Stefano. First, let's go through what you see on this page, and then we'll see what features you can access from here. This page is called the document list. You can always come back to it by clicking on Documents at the top of the page or on the Redokun logo. Here you will have a complete understanding of all the documents you have on translation. By clicking on the Expandable button, you can see all the translation jobs. The blue bar will tell you the status of advancement of your translations. Other colors are used to quickly tell you what is happening to each translation. Yellow, for example, will indicate an issue in the process. It generally means that the translator you invited hasn't accepted the translation job yet. Green should indicate that a document is ready to be generated and downloaded. You can click on the name of each document to go to the Documents Detail page. From there, you'll be able to manage the translations of that specific document. Click on the Upload Document button to upload a document. Click on Translation Memory if you want to upload translations you did in the past. Inside there, you'll be able to upload TMX file provided by your own translators or create your own translation memories in Excel by downloading our template. You can click on the Archive button of each document if you want to remove the document from this list but maintain the translations inside Redokun. Archived documents will be stored inside the archive that you can open by clicking on this button. You can click on the delete icon if you want to delete the document and all its translations. To learn more about any features, you can visit the Help Center by clicking on the Support button at the top of the page.